The Arctic, a vast wilderness of ice and snow. It might seem barren and lifeless at first glance, but look closer, this frozen world teems with beauty and wonder. The Arctic Circle marks its southern boundary. Here the sun reigns supreme in summer, never setting below the horizon. This is the midnight sun. It bathes the landscape in an ethereal glow. In winter, darkness descends. The polar night arrives. The stars blaze with a brilliance unseen elsewhere. Temperatures plummet far below freezing, yet life persists. The Arctic is a testament to nature's resilience. It is a reminder of the power of adaptation. Despite its harsh conditions, the Arctic is not a wasteland. It is a delicate ecosystem, interconnected and vital. It plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, and it is a place of breathtaking beauty. The Arctic Ocean, covered in ice for much of the year, teems with life. Narwhals, with their spiraled tusks, pierce the water's surface. Walruses haul themselves onto the ice, their massive forms a testament to their strength. Polar bears, the Arctic's apex predators, roam the ice floes. They are powerful hunters, reliant on the sea ice to stalk their prey. Seals, their main food source, bask on the ice, unaware of the danger lurking nearby. On land, the tundra stretches as far as the eye can see. Here, in the brief summer months, wildflowers erupt in a riot of color. Caribou, their hooves adapted to the frozen ground, migrate across these vast plains. They are a lifeline for indigenous communities, providing sustenance and materials. For millennia, indigenous peoples have called the Arctic home. The Inuit, the Sami, and others have thrived in this challenging environment. They have learned to live in harmony with nature. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable. They understand the delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem. Their hunting practices are sustainable. Their respect for nature runs deep. These communities are the Arctic's guardians. They're on the front lines of climate change. Their voices must be heard, their knowledge must be respected, their way of life must be protected. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the planet. The ice is melting at an alarming rate. This has dire consequences, not just for the Arctic, but for the entire world. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal communities. Weather patterns are changing, becoming more extreme. The melting permafrost is releasing methane, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. The time to act is now. We must reduce our carbon emissions. We must transition to renewable energy sources. We must protect the Arctic for its own sake and for the well-being of future generations. The fate of the Arctic is intertwined with our own. Let us choose wisely. Let us choose action. Let us choose hope.